Hey students, today's lesson is going to be on areas of polygons, and you'll be able to find areas of trapezoids this time specifically. So let's get started. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. So you have parallel sides. Always one pair of parallel sides. Okay? We clicked on this link and we explored this before we did the notes, okay? That's why I'm not gonna go ahead and do this. All right. So what we found out is that when you cut off part of this trapezoid and it turned it into a triangle. Okay, turned it into a triangle. So you're gonna have, what ended up having is you had like the piece over here, you flipped it over, okay? You flipped it over where you ended up getting something that kind of looked like this, okay? So you're going to have base 1 over here. And now we know this looks like a triangle. So it looks like a triangle that looks like this. You have base 1, base 2, okay? And we know the area of a triangle now is 1/2 base times height. So that's still the same. You have 1/2. The base is going to be the entirety of this, which is B1 plus B2. So that's going to be the base portion, and the height stays the same. So it's going to be 1/2 height times base 1 plus base 2. You could also rewrite this as height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. So you're basically taking the average of the bases, multiplying by height, and then dividing it by 2. Okay? So let's do some example problems together. What is the area of the trapezoid? So remember, our area formula, I'm going to write it on top, is area is equal to height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. I'm just going to use this one. You could use the other one with 1/2. It's fine. So base 1 is 45, and it really doesn't matter which one you do. Oh, height is 4 times base 1, which is 5, and it doesn't matter which one you make base 1 and base 2. It could be 9 or 5. Base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. Now let's just simplify. So order of operations, you simplify the numerator first. So 4 times 14 divided by 2. 4 times 14 is 56. 56 divided by 2 is 28. So this is going to be 28 feet squared. Right? That's one. Let's do another. So we have base 1, base 2, and our height. So 4.89 times 6 plus 14 divided by 2. So once again, simplify the numerator. So you're going to have 4.89 times 20 divided by 2. 4.89 times 20 is 97.8 divided by 2. And that gives you 48.9 meters squared. 48.9 meters squared. That's this one. And this is that one over here. So Nikisha painted a large trapezoid-shaped mural. The area of the mural is 88 square feet. The longer base is 20 feet. The height is 6.4 feet. Find the length of the shorter base. So we know now that the area, we're told that the area is equal to 88 square feet. So we're going to, once again, use our formula. A is equal to height times B1 plus B2 divided by 2. We're just going to substitute everything in there like we've done before. Area is 88. So 88 is equal to, our height is 6.4. B1 plus 20 divided by 2. Okay, so this is not as easy of a problem. You have to sit there thinking about how you're going to solve for B over here, B1 over here. So again, we've done areas of triangles where you have a problem like this. To get rid of that 2, you're multiplying 2 to both sides. So 88 times 2 is 176 is equal to 6.4 B1 plus 20. Okay, so we just got rid of this. Now what do you think you do? You can go ahead and do this 2 ways. You can either distribute first, or you could get rid of that 6.4 by dividing. 6.4 to both sides. 176 divided by 6.4 gives you 27.5 is equal to B1 plus 20. Subtract 20 from both sides, and you're going to end up getting 7.5 is equal to base 1. So base 1 is 7.5 feet. This takes a little bit of time and maybe a little bit of practice to get that, okay? Let's do another problem, okay? So again, our formula is area, or maybe you should pause the video here and try it out yourself to see if you can get the value of base 2. All right, welcome back. Or if you weren't sure what to do, so height times base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2. The more you write it, the more you're going to remember. But they usually give you formulas on, I'm not going to give you formulas. 25 is equal to, height is 5. Right, our height is 5. Base 1, we're going to put this as base 1, and this is as base 2. So base 1 is 3. Base 2 is what we're trying to find, all divided by 2. To get rid of that 2, we're going to multiply 2 to both sides. So 50 is equal to 5 times 3 plus base 2. And divide by 5. That gives you 10 is equal to 3 plus base 2. Subtract by 3. So base 2 is 7 inches. Okay. And you're left with your exit card. Okay. Okay, there's only these 2 problems. I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. Only those 2 problems. Bye.